Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if today is your first time in this particular channel, make sure you subscribe, tap on that notification bell down there to be notified every single time I upload a video, and also leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get free airtime and then bundle from MTN. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing to do is to head over to your app store or play store. Okay, so heading over to my app store, you wait for it to load. When it comes, you search for my MTN app. Okay, so my MTN app is the particular app you are going to use, so I'll just install it. I'm installing it. You have to get a strong connection for this particular video or for this particular tutorial. So once you finish installing it, you tap on open. Okay, so you're going to allow everything. Okay, dismiss. So get started. So right now you're going to enter your mobile number. Yeah, so I'm entering my mobile number. Now tap on connect to get the verification code. Okay, so once you get the verification code, you enter it 817 okay, then it will log you in. Okay, so as you can see, this is my current airtime balance, my data, my SMS. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. Clear everything, like literally everything on your phone. I have to clear everything. Okay, I have to clear everything. Before you do any other thing, you have to purchase like an airtime of 1 Ghana cedi. Okay, you have to purchase an airtime of 1 Ghana cedi, or even if it's 50 pesos, just to activate it. Okay, so let's go to airtime. Okay, so you can see airtime over here. Yes, I'm doing it for myself. I'll tap on next. I'm going for 0.50. Okay, so the minimum you can buy is 1 cedi. So you tap on 1 cedi. I'm going to pay with Momo. So pay. Okay, so I have to disconnect my Wi-Fi and use my mobile network. I'll pay then. I'll enter my Momo pin. I'll receive an OTP to activate the transaction. Okay, so this is the OTP I got. Okay, so as you can see, I've bought an airtime, okay, of 1 cedi. And you go back to your dashboard. Okay, you go back to your dashboard. As you can see, the balance has been updated over here. Then you head over to your loyalty points. Okay, your loyalty points. Then you tap on it. Go to MTN Rewards. So in this video, we are going to use the point to claim data. Okay, data bundle. So let's go back and check our current data. So we are having 669.93. okay, 669.93 megabytes. And you head over to our loyalty point and tap on data. Okay, so we currently have 13,000 points, so let's use it to claim data bundle. Okay, so let me go in for this package, the 10,000, and I'll confirm. You wait for it to load. Okay, I've successfully claimed it. Then you head back to your data again. Then let's claim another 2,000. Okay, it has also been claimed. Let's claim another 1,000. Okay, over here it has also been claimed. Okay, so let's go back and check our outstanding balance. So as you can see, 669.93. Let's refresh it. Okay, as you can see, we've gotten 1.02 gigabytes for free. 1.02 gigabytes for free. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. If today is your first time, kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video.